Yo, I need to boost my car. I need to boost my car, bro.
Driver's car, bro.
This shit too fun. Shoot some content today with the Z. Good, y'all. Today we finna get some action with the Z. Let me give y'all a little walk around on this car. Big turbo Z. Should just be sitting in the garage. Y'all see my baby right here. The amount of shit I got planned for this shit. I just hope y'all ready for 2025. Yeah, we about to get some content with his shit. My shit, probably do a few videos together. And then hopefully I could take it for a spin after. Big Turbo Z, first time on the channel. Well, actually second time. The first time, he didn't really do anything. Y'all ain't really see it, but it was in the cut. The first official introduction, I guess you could say. We'll do like a little walk around. I'll have him talk about what's done to the car. Same tuners, you feel me? Same color. His a little more spicier than mine, but I mean, we're gonna get there. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna drop a little video together and get crazy with it. Speaking of the man, there he go right there.
Live.
Yeah, but
That mess over there.
yeah, nah, fuck that shit. It's gonna be done, but
Yeah, we extending the drive.
I'm gonna give y'all a little walk around once we get to the spot. I ain't gonna lie, we look good driving together right now. Z look good as fuck, bro. I never drove a Booster Z before, but bro, today might be lit, yo. I'm a baby the fuck out that bitch though. Ooh. He feeling neaky right now. Damn, I forgot to bring my wide lens. He feeling neaky. Hold on, get something real quick. About to do a pull. Niggas can't drive, what the hell? I hope this mic is doing justice, because it's my first time really testing it out for a video.
So I was like, I'm gonna go link home. I still gotta get the car out. I'm getting my son right here. How you doing, big boy?
Catch some rollers before the sun go down. My shit is dirty. His shit's pretty clean though.
Nah.
My shit's a little dirty. I ain't washed my shit in like a good week. Y'all see what it is? I'm in the Z now. Take it for the first test drive. Unfortunately, the view, I try to get the view as best as I could. Z's are so small, so good too, though. I don't like this view for y'all, bro. I don't like this view for y'all. I might have to do a side view. For just regular day-to-day traffic, it's pretty straight. People waving at me like, nice car. She said, nice car, man. That's not my car, but one day. Dirty beast right there. This shit is so dirty. But yeah, as I was saying before, when I was driving the Z, my toolmate just was wiggling. What the fuck broke? Something broke. Cause there's no way it should be wiggling like that.
Hey bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
And sitting that low right now. After I just fucking dialed that shit in, so I'm about to figure this shit out. That shit look good. I'm trying to get like you.
The guy with the guy. About to take this shit over, man. You see these?
Where we about to go?
Two big red machines.
You teach me right now, you know?
Ass?
You know what I'm saying?
He ass, right?
Bro,
Nice with it, though.
You nice with it?
I'm getting there. They said your head too big to focus.
What?
Walk around and watch it just stay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Man.
Fall back, son.
Yo, what?
Fall back.
Fall back, bro. That shit focus on me.
Yeah, try to run away, nigga. That's on you, bro.
Focus, bro. Listen. When bro dropped the video, boost. I gotta tell him to boost it. Why am I the only red car boosted still? Imagine that thing boosted.
Alright, y'all, we back. We finished washing the car. Gotta pull up and go get some more content at this mall area. Probably like 20 minutes out. Less than that. I figured I'll keep taking the car and get a different type of POV. Yeah, like I said, I wish y'all could see the view. Shit sounds so good, bro. I wish I could see my car too. My car look good. Yo, no bullshit. I need this shit for like a day, bro. This shit too fun, nigga. Yo, I need to boost my car. I need to boost my car, bro.
Driver's car, bro.
This shit too fun. Footage right here. Y'all probably gonna see this on Instagram, so make sure y'all tap into both our IGs right now. They come out crazy.
Black, you got an extra SD card?
Yeah, I should. I just gotta clear it.
Got it. Whole section.
Huh?
Somebody got, because I lost my SD card. I know I shot a porno on that bitch.
You serious?
So somebody got it. You hear him?
Nigga's crazy.
Okay, bye.